Good morning, children. We are seeing fourth lesson, science in every. Already we saw about the milk and about two types of food, raw food and cooked food. Today we are going to see the cooking topic. You all know cooking, we need a fire so that the food it will convert to boiled level. It will be suitable for eating. So we are cooking the food. There are many methods for cooking. Look at your boiling. Rice we boiled in a hot water. It will cook. Steaming. Look at the idli and puttu. It all keep in the steaming. Keeping the water under and the water will boil. The steam will cook the food. So this is steaming food. Look at this. This is a frying food. The fish fry and some cutlet. They making a using a low oil and frying it. This is deep frying, that is full of oil and inserting the things into the oil. So the heat of the oil will cook the food. Samosa, appalam, everything will make a deep fry. Next, roasting. Look at the groundnut. It should not need any water or any oil. Only the fire. So only the heat it will cook the groundnut roasting. This one type of method. This is grilling. In oven without any oil or fire or water, we just keeping inside the oven. So the electrical wave, that is a microwave. The wave will cook the food. So that it's called a microwave. So this is a microwave cooking. So the wave, the electricity converted into a microwaves and it will cook the food so that the heat will cook the food. So this is grilling. What are the method? Boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting and grilling. So last class I asked you to write fruit and carrots are some raw food. Rice and vegetable curry or cooked food. Without a cooking food, I told you right, without cooking food in the fast food, they are not cooked properly. So we get a digestion. But if we cook perfectly, we will get a nutrients for ready for digestion. If we are having the meat or chicken, mutton, we have to cook it well. Then only it will get digestion. If we bought from outside, we are having a fried rice or something, it will not cook 100%. So we will get the indigestion problem. It helps to make a food in a desired texture, flavor and taste. So when we cooking, it will give the textures and flavors and taste. Next, it also destroy a harmful microbes. So in the fruits and vegetables and in the meat, everything having some microbes, bacteria or virus. It will sediment on the fruits or vegetable and meat. When we are cooking, the harmful microbes, the harmful virus or bacteria will killed. So the cooking heat will kill all the harmful microbes. So this is three things of benefits of cooking. It's good for digestion when we cook, and the cooked food will give us textures, flavor and taste. And also it destroy the harmful microbes. So there are some kitchen items. Rolling pin. This is a spoon, serving spoon, knife, filter, teacup. This is a beater. So we'll talk about the uses of the different items of the kitchens. So in interaction class, we talk about this uses of the kitchen items. Okay, children. Now we are going to the third topic, baking of bread, biscuit and cake. Look at this bread, biscuit, cake. You all know what is a bread. We are buying from the bakery, right? In bakery, they'll bake the flour. It's an ancient food. And also it's a low fat food. It's good for a human. and it's for a normal development and a good health. So they are having the bread. The wheat bread is good for health. For making a bread, what we need? Wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt. These are the four things we need to prepare a food. This is a biscuit. It is a little in size, but it's also need a baking process. So what we're using for biscuit: flour, sugar, butter, water, milk and baking powder, and flavor. What the flavor we'll use? Some chocolate flavors for biscuits. So what the flavor you want, you can add it. So these are the things for making the baking the biscuits. So bread needs some temperature to bake, and biscuit needs some other temperature to bake. And then cake, you all know this also we'll buy in the bakery, because the cake will also need to bake. This baked dessert, it's like a sweet bread. It's look like a bread, but it's a sweet. We'll buy it for celebration during a birthday or wedding day or some other function. For making a cake, we need a flour, sugar, eggs, oil, baking powder and flavoring agents. So the three things: bread, biscuit